Hi guys, good day, it's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class is all about the English system to metric system and then metric system to English system conversion. So without further ado, let's do this topic. Now for the units class of English and metric, we have the unit length, we have the unit weight, and we have the unit volume. Now I will give you 4 examples class for each unit for you to really understand this one. So let's start with the unit length. So this will be our English units. We have inches, feet, and then miles. For the metric units, we have centimeters, meters, and then kilometers. Now the conversion class, we have 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimeters. 3.28 feet is equal to 1 meter. And then 1 mile is equals to 1.61 kilometers. So let's start with letter A. Convert 15 inches to centimeters. So do we have the conversion? Inches to centimeters? Yup. 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimeters. Alright, so we will be using this conversion. So copy first our given. We have 15 inches. So 15 inches. And then you put parentheses class because we will be using the unit fraction. So you put parentheses. You put fractional bar. Once again, class, if our given unit is inches, the unit on the denominator, class, must be also inches. Question, why is that, sir? So that we can cancel out this unit. Okay, we can cancel out the unit and then we convert inches to centimeters. So the unit on the numerator must be centimeters. So inches, inches, and then centimeter. So the conversion, class, 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimeter. Once again, class, be careful in writing the conversion class. 1 inch, so this is inches, so 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimeter. Alright, and then you put equal sign. Once again, class, we can put over 1 here for our given. You can put over 1. Understood, class, that any number, there is a denominator of 1. So you can put over 1, class, that's okay. And then simply multiply the numerators and then the denominators. So 15 times 2.54, so you can use your calculator. 15 times 2.54, so that would be 38.1. And do not forget the units class, centimeters. And then multiply the denominators, 1 times 1, that is 1. And then simply divide 38.1 divided by 1, the answer is 38.1. And do not forget the units, centimeters. That's it class, easy as that class. That's the answer for letter A. Once again, class, if the teacher will not allow you to use calculator, you can just simply multiply this one manually, class. I'm sure, class, you have your rational numbers, dividing and multiplying decimals. So if you want to learn more about multiplying and dividing decimals, I will just put the link on the description down below. I'm sure, class, you already have this one before solving English to metric system conversion. Alright, so the answer for letter A, that is 38.1. 38.1 centimeters. All set for letter A. Alright, so let's have letter B. Convert 2 feet to meters. Do we have feet to meters conversion? Yup. 3.28 feet is equal to 1 meter. Alright, so let's do that. Copy our given. That is 2 feet. And then we put parentheses. And then we convert this one. Once again, if this is feet, the unit on the denominator must be also feet, so that we can cancel out this unit. And then we convert feet to meters. So this is meters here for the numerator unit. And then the conversion, once again, class, be careful in writing the conversion. 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. So 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. Alright, and then equals, so we can put over 1 here for our given. Understood that there's 1 here. And then simply multiply 2 times 1, so that would be 2. Copy the units, meters, over 1 times 3.28, that would be 3.28. And then simply divide, class. 2 divided by 3.28. So the answer is 0.6097. So we need to have, class, at least 2 decimal numbers. Once again, class, the answer 2 divided by 3.28, the answer is 0.6097. So we need to have at least 2 decimal numbers. So 60. Now after 0, that is 9. So therefore we need to round up. this 0 class becomes 1. Once again, class, after 0, that's 9, we need to round up. So this will be 0.61. And do not forget the units, class, meters. That's it, class, all set for letter B. So the answer is 0.61 meters. All set. Alright, so that's the answer for letter B. So let's have letter C. Convert 27 meters to feet. So once again, meters to feet, we have the conversion. 3.28 feet is equal to 1 meter. So we will be using this conversion. So write down the given, 27 meters. You put parentheses. Once again, if this is meters for our given unit, the unit on the denominator must be also meter for us to cancel out the units. And then we convert meters to feet. Alright, and the conversion, 1 meter is equivalent to 3.28 feet. So 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. Alright, and then cancel out the units. And then simply multiply. 27 times 3.28. 27 times 3.28. So 27 times 3.28. Once again, class, you always double check your answer. 27 times 3.28. The answer is 88.56. Do not forget the units, feet. And then we can put over 1 here for our given. 1 times 1, that is 1. And then 88.56 divided by 1, the answer is 88.56. And do not forget the units, feet. That's it, class. All set. That's the answer for letter C. 88.56 feet. Alright, so let's have letter D. Last example, class, for the length. 6.44 kilometers to miles. So the conversion, 1 mile is equal to 1.61 kilometers. So we convert kilometers to miles. Alright, so copy the given 6.44 kilometers. We put parentheses. So kilometers for our given unit. So therefore, kilometers must be the unit on the denominator. And this is miles. So that we can cancel out the units. And the conversion, 1 mile. So once again, class, be careful in writing the conversion. 1 mile is equal to 1.61 kilometers. So this is 1.61. Alright, and then we can put over 1 here. That's okay. Any number, understood that there is a denominator of 1. So you can put over 1, class. That's okay. And then simply multiply 6.44 times 1. That would be 6.44. Do not forget the units, miles. Over 1 times 1.61. That would be 1.61. And then divide 6.44. So let's use our calculator. 6.44 divide 1.61. So the answer is 4. Do not forget the units. 4 miles. That's it, class. That's the answer for letter D. So our answer is 4 miles. All set. That's the answer for letter D. So we're done with the unit length. So let's proceed now to the unit weight. Alright, so let's proceed now to the unit weight. So this will be our English units. We have fluid ounces, and then pounds. For the metric units, we have milliliter, grams, and then kilograms. So the conversion, 1 fluid ounce is equal to 29.57 milliliters. 1 ounce is equal to 28.35 grams. And then 2.20 pounds is equal to 1 kilogram. So let's start with letter A. Convert 10 fluid ounces to milliliters. So first thing to do, class, you copy the given 10 fluid ounces. Alright, and then you put parentheses. If this is FLOZ for our units, the unit on the denominator, class, must be also fluid ounces. So FLOZ. And then the unit on the numerator must be milliliters. So we convert fluid ounces to milliliters. And the conversion, class, once again, class, be careful in writing the conversion. 1 fluid ounce is equal to 29.57 milliliters. So 1 fluid ounce is equal to 29.57 milliliter. And then equals, cancel out the units, so we can cancel this out. And we can put over 1 here for our given. That's okay. Understood that any number, there is a denominator of 1. And then simply multiply. 10 times 29.57. So let's use our cell phone calculator. 10 times 29.57. So the answer is 295.7. 295.7. Do not forget the units, milliliter. Over 1 times 1, that's 1. And then simply divide 295.7 divided by 1. The answer is 295.7 milliliter. That's it, class. All set for letter A. So the answer is 295.7 milliliters. All set for letter A. Alright, so let's proceed now to letter B. Convert 250 milliliters to fluid ounces. So same, we will be using this conversion, fluid ounces to milliliters. And our given is 250 milliliters, convert to fluid ounces. Alright, so copy the given 250 milliliters. You put parentheses. If this is milliliters for our given, the units on the denominator must be also milliliters so that we can cancel out the units. And this will be fluid ounces. In the conversion, 1 fluid ounce, so 1 fluid ounce is equal to 29.57 milliliters. And then you put equal sign. And then we can put over 1 here for our given. So 250 times 1. So do not forget, class, to cancel out the units. Cancel ml, milliliters. We can cancel this out. And the remaining units will be only fluid ounces. So 250 times 1, that would be 250. And do not forget the units, fluid ounces. Fluid ounces. Over 1 times 29.57, that would be 29.57. And then simply divide, class. Use your calculator. 250 divide 29.57. The answer is 8.4545. So we need to have at least 2 decimal numbers. Once again, class, the answer is 8.4545. So we need to have at least 2 decimal numbers. That would be 4 and 5. Now after 5, that's 4. Therefore, we need to round down. Simply copy 5. Once again, class, after 5, that's 4. Simply round down. Simply copy 5. So the final answer will be 8.45. Do not forget the units, class. Fluid ounces. That's it, class. All set for letter B. So this will be the answer, 8.45 fluid ounces. Alright, so that's it, class, for letter B. Alright, so let's proceed now to letter C. Now, how about you try this one, class, letter D? And you put your answer in the comment section down below. So you try this one, class, letter D. Convert 3.7 kilograms to pounds. So you try this one. So we will be answering letter C. Convert 5 pounds to kilograms. So do we have the conversion? Pounds to kilograms? Yep. 2.20 pounds is equal to 1 kilogram. So therefore, we will be using this conversion. Alright, so copy the given. 5 pounds. And then we put parentheses. If this is pounds, therefore the units in the denominator must be also pounds. And then this will be kilograms. We convert pounds to kilograms. And then the conversion, 1 kilogram is equal to 2.20 pounds. Once again, guys, be careful in writing the conversion. 1 kilogram is equal to 2.20 pounds. And then we can put over 1 here. That's okay. And then equals. Do not forget to cancel out the units. So 5 times 1, that's 5. And then copy, kilograms. Over 1 times 2.20, that would be 2.20. Alright, and then simply divide 5. Divide 2.20. So 5 divided by 2.20. Alright, so the answer is 2.2727. So after, once again, we need to have at least 2 decimal numbers. After 7, that's 2. Therefore, we need to round down. Simply copy 7. So the answer is 2.27. Do not forget the units, class. Kilograms. That's it, class. This is the answer for letter C. All set. So 2.27 kilograms. So you try, once again, class, you try this one, letter D. Convert 3.7 kilograms to pounds, and you put your answer in the comment section down below. Let me check, class, if you really understand our topic. Alright, so let's proceed now to the unit volume. Alright, so let's proceed now to the unit volume, and this will be our conversion. 4.23 cups is equal to 1 liter. And then 1.06 quarts is equal to 1 liter. And then 1 gallon is equal to 3.79 liters. Alright, so let's start with letter A. Convert 7 liters to cups. So do we have liters to cups? Yup. 4.23 cups is equal to 1 liter. So we will be using this conversion. Alright, so copy the given 7 liters. You put parentheses. If this is liter for our given, the units on the denominator must be also liter. And this will be cups, the unit on the numerator. Alright, and then cancel out the units, liters. And then the conversion class, 1 liter is equivalent to 4.23 cups. So 1 liter is equivalent to 4.23 cups. Once again, class, be careful in writing the conversion. Liter, so 1 liter, 4.23 cups. And then we can put over 1 here, that's okay. And then equals, you multiply the numerators, 7 times 4.23. Let's use our calculator. 7 times 4.23. So that would be 29.61. Do not forget the units, cups. And then 1 times 1, that's 1. Simply divide 29.61 divided by 1. The answer is 29.61. Do not forget the units, cups. That's it, plus. All set for letter A. Easy, right? For letter A. So the answer is 29.61 cups. Alright, all set for letter A. Let's have letter B. Convert 1.5 cups to liters. So there will be cups to liters. So this will be the conversion. Once again, we will be using this conversion, cups to liters. 4.23 cups is equal to 1 liter. Alright, so copy the given 1.5 cups. You can just put C, class. The abbreviation of cups, there would be C. So 1.5 cups. You put parentheses. Put fractional bar. If this is cups, the unit on the denominator must be also cups. And then we convert that to liters. And then cancel out the units. And the conversion, we have 1 liter is equal to 4.23 cups. So 1 liter, that would be 4.23 cups. And then equals, once again, we can put over 1 here. That's okay. Then simply multiply the numerators. 1.5 times 1, that would be 1.5. Do not forget the units, liters, over 1 times 4.23, that would be 4.23. And then divide, use your calculator. So this will be 1.5 divided by 2.23. Alright, and the answer is 0.3546. So once again, class, we need to have at least 2 decimal numbers. So 35. So after 5, that's 4. So therefore, we need to round down. Simply copy 5. Once again, class, after 5, that's 4. Simply copy 5. Round down. So the answer is 0.35. Do not forget the units, liters. That's it, class. All set for letter B. So this will be 0.35 liters. Alright, so let's have letter C. Convert 5 liters to gallons. Alright, let's do that. So the conversion, 1 gallon is equal to 3.79 liters. So we will be using this conversion. Alright, so copy the given 5 liters. Put parentheses. If this is liters, the unit on the denominator must be also liter. And then we convert that into gallon. So for the gallon class, the abbreviation, that would be GAL. So this will be gallon. Alright, and then liters. So the conversion, 1 gallon is equal to 3.79 liters. So 1 gallon, once again, class, be careful in writing the conversion. 1 gallon, so this is gallon. So 1 gallon, that would be 3.79 liters. Alright, equals, you put over 1 here. That's okay. So 5 times 1, once again, class, do not forget to cancel out the units. So never forget, class, to cancel out the units. So cancel out the units. And then 5 times 1, that's 5. Do not forget the units, gallons. Over 1 times 3.79, that would be 3.79. And then simply divide, class. Use your calculator. So 5 divided by 3.79. So 5 divided by 3.79. And the answer is 1.319. Alright, so 1.319. Once again, 2 decimal numbers. After 1, that's 9. So therefore, we need to round up. This will be 1.3 1.32. So 1 becomes 2. Once again, class, after 1, that's 9. We need to round up. So that would be 1.32. And do not forget the units, class, gallons. Never forget the units, class, gallons. That's it, class, all set for letter C. So the answer is 1.32 gallons. All set, class, for letter C. So you try this one, class, letter D, and you put your answer in the comment section down below. Convert 5.6 liters to quarts. So once again, class, you try this one and you put your answer in the comment section down below for me to check, class, if you really understand our topic. So once again, class, I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share it to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. Once again, this is Teacher MJ. Have a great day, class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.